My fear is that future generations will miss out on all the beauty, that pollution will take over our beautiful world.
My fear is that most of our decision makers are ignorant of the distractions going on.
My fear is that we will not be fast enough in mitigating climate change.
My fear is that my children and grandchildren will have no fresh air, water, or land, that their quality of life will be so lacking.
My fear is that greed, capitalism, and short-term profits will win over our planet's health, and that human beings, with their actions, will deliberately destroy biodiversity.
My fear is that we will be too late. But my hope is that we can be brave, stop talking and start acting, to come together as a family and heal the planet.